Good morning to one and all. So today in this video we are going to discuss about ABB share. So it was also recommended in the comment section, so I decided to make a video on it. So in the previous videos we have discussed about Reliance Capital. So in that video we discussed the complete fundamental as well as technicals of the share and also the various updates on that share. So people have not watched it can definitely watch it. So I also created the Telegram group also, so that you can have quick access to the stocks whenever upper circuit or lower circuit is opening. So you can follow that in follow the Telegram. I'll provide the link in the description. Okay, so in this video we'll discuss complete future of ABB. So watch the video till the end, and people have not yet subscribed to the channel, so definitely subscribe the channel for all the latest updates. So okay, when we see about ABB, so we know that ABB is a technology leader that is driving the digital transformation of a industry. So mainly it's focusing on a digital transformation, and we know that with a history of innovation spanning more than 130 years. So ABB has four major businesses. So you can see here four customer focused globally businesses. One is electrification, second one is industrial automation, third one is motion, and fourth one is robotics and discrete automation. So this is totally into automation as well as robotics. So we know that the future is going to be robotics. So whenever any startup is launched in any engineering field, so robotics will play a very crucial role. Yes or no? Even if electric vehicles, anything automatic robots or anything comes, so these type of companies will be totally in focus, because robotics is very essential part of any automated part. Okay, so you need to keep that also in mind. And also saying that ABB's power grids business will be divested to Hitachi in 2020. ABB operates more than 100 countries and with about 1,47,000 employees. So we can say that employee base is good and it's increasing on regular basis. And also if we see it's has a very huge business, we can say, because 100 countries is not a joke. So it has very big business. Okay, only one thing is that you should generate profits. So profits may take a little bit of time, because this is now coming into light. So it may take a few we can say few years for that we can say huge reversal. So we need to wait patiently, and we need to focus on the levels before we are investing in this stock. So future is very good for this company. All we need to have is a right mindset and hold it patiently. Okay, let's see the levels also. Now let's see the we can say what is the vision of this company. Okay, that is the main important thing. So when we see about electrification, which is one of the business of it, so you can see that it's into smart and sustainable electrification. So including medium voltage, including electric vehicle infrastructure, solar inverters, modular substations, distribution automation, power protection, wiring accessories, switch gear, cable sensing control. So these are all the parts of this electrification business. So we can say that completely diversified business. So these type of stocks you need to accumulate in your portfolio. These are portfolio stocks. You should not do trading. Okay, but you need to enter at right time also. So that is also very important thing whenever you are doing the investing. Okay, now let's see what is the strengths, weakness, and also we'll try to find out the levels of the company. So we can see that the vision is also about a smart transportation as well as smart cities. So it is also the main focus of this particular company. Okay, you need to even focus on this thing also. Okay, now when we see the overview of the company, so we can see that market cap is around 19,430 crores, and if we see the dividend is almost 0.52. Industry P is 43 and the highest P is 52, and currently no P, because quarter 4 results were not that great. So we'll also see the financials of the company, and then we see deliveries are 41%. Okay, only we need to enter at right time, so don't hurriedly put all the investments. We'll try to see the levels also. So next, when we see the shareholding, we can see that promoters are having a 75% holding, and we can see FIS 3.31, total DIS 14.76, mutual fund 6.36% holding. So decent holdings by all of the institutions. Okay, no pledging, that's very good thing, and other all mutual fund holding is also very good for the company. So when we see the returns of the company, we can see that almost in 1 year it has given almost minus 39.4 for negative returns, 6 months also negative returns, and in 1 month also it has given slight positive returns, almost 13.20 returns it has given. Okay, almost when Nifty started retracing, almost each and every stock they started retracing. So now main point is that when quarter one results will come, so we need to focus on all stocks, because most of the stocks now they'll start retracing. So we need to be very cautious and we need to invest on dips. Okay, that will be the main strategy. So if we see the strengths of the company, we can see that companies with low debt as well as a zero promoter pledge. So this is what I wanted to show in strength. So these are two major things of any fundamentally strong share. So you need to focus on this, debt as well as pledging. So both are low, and zero in case of pledging. So very good thing. Next, if we see weaknesses, we can see that broke down the first support. Okay, degrowth in revenue, profit. So these are all related to, okay, so these are all related to profit only. We know that the profit has not yet been reported, because we know that the business is into that sort of field. We know that robotics and automation, the profits will come when we wait patiently. Okay, the future is now into recognition. So people should start recognizing the future of this particular share. Then only the investments will come, and then only the future will increase. Okay, company wise it's very good stock, but we need to hold patiently, should not sell anything, just to wait. Okay, profits will come. So when this corona issue will settle down, and then when automation everything will start, so then these type of companies will revive. So need to wait patiently. So these are only the weaknesses. Only profit, revenue, these are not much deal for us. Our main focus is only the future. Next, if we see brokers upgraded recommendation target in past 3 months, RS indicating price trend. So these are the two opportunities that we can see in this particular stock. Next, if we see threats, PE with stocks with high PE, increasing trend in non-core income. So PE is little high, so that's why I told we need to enter at a right moment also. Now we'll see the financials, and then we'll conclude with the technicals. So when we see the financials, ABB India Q4, PAT at 65 crore versus 116 crore year on year. Income at 1500 crore versus 1850 crore year on year. So you can see that income as well as PAT, you can see a decrease is there. So nothing to panic about that. Okay, it's normal. Almost these type of companies, almost all the businesses are down related to this particular sector only. So we need to add on dips. So that's what is left with us. So we will see, try to find out the levels of this particular stock. So when we see the levels, you can see a support here. Okay, 819, and it has taken the resistance here. You can see this region 1008. Okay, you can see that region. So you can see almost it has touched that level almost, you can say 1 to 3rd time, and again it will retrace. If it retraces, then the possible, we can say, supports will be around 819. So you can see here also, this red line is the 20 EMA and green is the 50 EMA. So 20 EMA also it has given a breakdown movement, and we can see money flow index is also pointing downward, showing that still some weakness is possible. So wait patiently and add on dips. What we can see on 1 day chart. So on 1 day chart also we can say that almost currently these are the moving averages. One is around 891, and other one red color is the 20 EMA, and it's around we can say 900 something. So you need to focus on 907. So if you want to invest at that point, you can invest in small quantities. So if you can wait patiently, then also again this level also will play a very important role, from where a possible reversal may happen. Okay, so invest in small quantities. So company future is very good. Okay, company wise very good. Okay, nothing to panic. Okay, you need to wait patiently. So that's what all about this particular stock. So in the next videos we'll discuss about another excellent share. So stay tuned, and if you're not yet subscribed, to subscribe for latest updates. So until then, take care. Bye bye.